Hello and welcome to another edition of Blackburn and Robin. Tuesday 10th of March 2020, and me and Kenny have made friends. Look, no more barking. Look, you see? Yeah, we're friends. We're cool. Yeah. No, Ken, no, we're cool. We're cool. We're cool. Spike, what are you doing? We're cool. Everyone just stay cool. Everyone just cool it. Cool. Everybody just stay cool. See what I mean? Whew. So, that's a bit of a bonus, isn't it? Yeah, he just changed the other day. He just came to me for me to pick him up. So it's only took 2 years. Story of my life. Pond. We have got lots of green weed and frog spawn. And the herring's been in as well. So should be getting some frogs. Not too bad a day. Quite warm today. Quite warm and windy. But I know you guys, you want to see how I'm getting on with the Aprilia chain replacement. Well, good news and bad news. Good news is I've got it on. Got the old sprockets off. Oh, and I've actually done me back in doing it. But the old sprockets were quite, I think they're Sunstar, quite beefy affairs. The new sprockets were much more kind of lighter and race version of this. But there's nothing really wrong with them, I don't think. Try and look at what make they are. I think I've seen Sunstar somewhere. 16Z. So what's that? Is that a 16 tooth? Is that a 16 tooth, Steve? Anyway, I put a bit of Loctite on and I got the new one on, look. And I got the rear on. And then things went a bit pear-shaped. We actually put the split link on and you know, made the dimples there, and I thought, oh, it's all good. And then I went around the back. Yeah, now I don't know if you can see, but the back pins look sticking out. The others are flush, the factory ones, whereas my ones, I've got about 3mm sticking out. So I've been trying to push that through so I can dome this bit more, but I think it's buggered. I think I've buggered it. And another thing I've buggered is the little tool that you put it on with. This came in the kit on the did chain off eBay, and that, you know, you clamp it over and then you wind this in, and that gives you your dimple on your pin. But I think it must be monkey metal, because it's split. Look, as we tightened it up, it's split. I did video it, but I can't get the file, so anyway, I'm showing you now. So it's all split, look down there. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see, Steve? So, and it does, the metal feels rubbish. So, it's got these little locator locator things as well that you put sort of in there to stop it squishing it too much. But obviously somehow this has not been pushed through enough, the back pin. So I went down to my local J&S stores, and I got, what did I get? I don't know what I've done with it. Oh, there it is. It's an Oxford chain. It does everything. You know, squishes your link on, takes this pin out, this pin out as well. But that was, you ready for it? This was 70 quid. 70, yes, 70 quid. I think we're about 50 off eBay. You got all the little accessory bits. But it's not bad. Oops, sorry. It's not bad. Yeah, look, 70 quid. Like I say, they're 50 off eBay, but you know, keeps the shops open, doesn't it? So let's buy one of them. And now I don't think I'm going to get any joy of this Lincoln. I'm not happy with it, so I've ordered another one off eBay for 10 quid. So I'm gonna grind this off, take it off and start again with me proper Oxford tool. I think that is better. The way it is better than that. Rubbish. So thoughts on the did chain kit with sprockets and chain riveter. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. About just short of 100 quid. The sprockets look a bit flimsy next to my old ones, but they'll probably be fine. The chain looks fine. It fits. It's just me. It's just I've never done one of these before, so it's just getting the knack of it. So that's about it, I'm afraid. Tune in, same time, same place, same channel. Will I get the chain done? Will the Aprilia ever run again? Will everyone catch coronavirus and get snotty noses? That's the old chain, look. Yeah. Who knows? Who cares? Give me a like and subscribe, will you? And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, man. Bye for now.